check this out. I've got this shield or air scoop dam thing, and it's brand new. Here's the part number for it if you're interested in getting it. This goes on my car right there in the front for the radiator. So I believe it's supposed to help the air kind of flow in here, scoop it up, and direct it over the condenser and radiator. As you can see, my original one here is pretty beat up. It's kind of all stretched and pulled up. It's probably got scraped on a bunch of stuff somewhere at some point in its life. So I'm just gonna replace it. Luckily that this new one still exists. Remove the 3 bolts that are up front, the 2 bolts in the back, one right here and one on the other side. They are 10mm. This one still fits. Oh yeah, nice. Just comparing the two that I have, as you can see, it's pretty messed up. This is a new one. This is my old mangled one. It's all bent out of shape. So easy enough to bolt that one back up. I'm gonna get some new bolts too, and then we'll be all set. This is what it looks like without it. So there's actually not much scooping going on without it. This front air dam is nice, but if you do have a front plate, kind of blocks a good chunk of it. Maybe I shouldn't have this, but you know, that looks cool. It turns out my bumper is actually a little bit cracked. You can see where it's separated there. I guess somebody hit something at some point and bashed this in. Putting on the new scoop might help pull that back out a little bit, but probably not. I will find out, and you'll find out with me. I'm gonna put the front bolts on first. Here it is attached. Looks brand new and shiny. It's nice. The air goes in this way and it goes up. Or in theory, that's what it's supposed to do. I have no idea what it actually does. It doesn't look very helpful, but I guess some scoop is better than no scoop. Mounts back here. Got some stainless bolts. Stainless bolt, stainless bolt, stainless bolt. My bumper's still kind of caved in. As you can see, this can move it, but it should be okay. This new piece is pretty flimsy, but it has enough strength to help hold the bumper out a little bit more. It's actually a little bit better, but good enough. I guess anything is better than this guy. It's all bent and messed up. So, like, comment, subscribe for more, and tune in for next time. I'll see you on the next video.